Our next category keeps the wheels of industry turning. It's the TCT Industrial Product Application Award. Tonight's nominees have revolutionized the way we manufacture, the way we maintain and manage industrial products. The highly commended project in this category is Fume Hood Gas Ejector by Labconco in partnership with the ASHRAE 110 Committee. Congratulations to them. And now, to help me present the award, please join me in welcoming to the stage, on behalf of our sponsor, JOL, it's Sean Quill. Okay, the winner of this category, the TCT Industrial Product Application Award 2024 is Commercial Nuclear Fuel Flow Plates by Westinghouse Electric Company.
Good evening, everyone. We are very proud for the achievement that this application represents, and that's the first in-core commercial nuclear AM component ever to go into serial production. We are honored to receive this award. We're thankful to TCT and the judges for recognizing the significance of this milestone. This would not have been possible without the hard work and dedication of a global team. We were presented with a significant challenge to design, develop, qualify, and deploy safety-related AM component in the short time span of 12 months to ensure continued energy security in Ukraine and Eastern Europe. The team answered that challenge and delivered something exceptional. This is for all of us. Thank you.